Hello everyone, welcome to this NLP for Chatbot series. Have you ever wondered how chatbots like ChatGPT understands what we type and responds like a human? For example, if a user types, "Hi, I want to book a flight to Delhi tomorrow." How does the chatbot understand that the user wants to book a flight? The destination is Delhi and the travel date is tomorrow. The answer is NLP. In today's video, we will learn what NLP is, why chatbots need NLP, and how a chatbot process users message step by step. So, watch till end because I will tell you the simple flow of NLP in a simple, in easy way. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. What is NLP? NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. It is a branch of artificial intelligence that helps computers understand, interpret, and respond to human language. Humans communicate using natural language such as English, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, and many others. Computers do not naturally understand these languages. NLP acts as a bridge between humans and computers. It helps machines understand what users are saying and generate meaningful responses. Without NLP, chatbots would not be able to understand our messages. So, what is chatbot? A chatbot is a software application that can interact with users through text or voice conversations. A chatbot can answer questions, can provide information, solve problems, and perform tasks automatically. Some common examples include like customer support chatbots, banking assistants, shopping assistants, AI assistants like ChatGPT. Chatbots are available on websites, mobile apps, WhatsApp, and many other platforms. Their main goal is to help users quickly without requiring a human agent every time. Why do chatbots need NLP? Imagine a user sends this message, "I want to book a flight to Delhi tomorrow." The chatbot needs to understand the user's intention, the destination city, the travel date. Without NLP, the chatbot would only see a collection of words. With NLP, the chatbot understands the meaning behind the sentence. NLP helps chatbot to understand user request, detect user intent, extract important information, generate relevant responses, support natural conversations. This is why NLP is one of the most important technologies behind modern chatbots. So, if I see real world examples of NLP chatbots, the best example is ChatGPT. This ChatGPT can answer questions, generate content, explain concepts, and hold conversations. Next is customer support bots. Many companies uses chatbots to answer common customer queries 24 by 7. Example, where is my order? How can I reset my password, etc. etc. Third is banking bots. Bank uses chatbots to help users to check balances, view transactions, and get account information. And the most favorite thing is e-commerce assistants like Amazon and some others. Online shopping websites uses chatbots to recommend products, track orders, and assist customers. These are all powered by NLP. So how does NLP work in a chatbot? Let's understand the chatbot flow. Step 1 is user input. User enters a message, for example, "Hi, I want to book a flight to Delhi tomorrow." So now the step 2 comes into picture. It is NLP processing. The chatbot analyzes the text and understands the language. Step 3, intent detection. The chatbot identifies the user's code, like intent. Here is book a flight. And the step 4, the main is a response generation. The chatbot creates an appropriate response. For example, "Sure, I can help you to book a flight for Delhi for tomorrow." This is a basic workflow used by most modern chatbots. So let's quickly recap what we learned today. NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. NLP helps computer to understand human language. Chatbot uses NLP to understand user messages. NLP enables intent detection and response generation. Many applications like ChatGPT, banking bots, customer support bots, and shopping assistants rely on NLP. In the next video, we'll explore the core pipeline of NLP in chatbot development and understand how text is processed before a chatbot response. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more AI, NLP, and chatbot tutorials. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.